Hello everyone, I thought I'd go live for a short moment here and show you what I'm doing. I'm assembling Tomato 10 controllers. These are the electronics. And the mistake I made, I guess, there are a lot of people waiting for Tomato 10 and I'm really sorry, but yeah, everything took much longer than I had expected because I'm doing these kinds of work, which is okay. But in the future I will work together with a factory, which most likely will be in China. I'm also very open to other factories, but at the moment it's China. And they do, it's good to work with them anyway. Despite all the negative talk about China, the people there are just normal people really. They have the same aspirations like everyone, and so I'm okay to work with China. You can't even say China anymore because it has this sound to it. Anyway, so at the moment I'm doing all this assembling, and in the future it will be done in China because it's just so time consuming and so many of you are waiting for Tomato Tent. I've shipped a lot this week, but there are still many, I know many of you are waiting. However, I've become much quicker in making these just because I've made so many mistakes now that many of the mistakes have been removed and I'm pretty quick assembling them. Also means the quality is better. I don't have so many that don't work. Just fewer and fewer. Also, I'm sorry I can't check comments. If you leave a comment here in the chat, I can't really see them because I'm focusing on this work. I usually see them afterwards, or sometimes I see them afterwards when the stream is over, but then I can't reply anymore. So please excuse if I don't reply to comments. So this is the back of the housing, and the electronics, they get married together like this. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, now we have some more light. Quite difficult to do this on camera, but I try. This is the power in, high voltage power in. This cable this plug goes to the LED light. Then this one goes to the fan. It's for speed controlling of the fan. It's because the computer sets the speed. And this one is to read the sensors. It's a so-called I2C bus that the sensors connect to. The I2C bus is kind of good because you can connect all kinds of different sensors. So if somebody in the future wants another sensor to this controller, then you can just write the code, or anybody could just do it. This one is the dim button. Because at the top there's this button which dims the light. And this here is the dimmer cable. That is the 0 to 10 volt dimmer, which you can dim some LED lights with. Now the whole thing needs to get closed up, and it's a little bit tight in there, but usually it works. Like this. And we close it up. Hold on. Oh, what? And when I usually do this, I do like 10 in a row. So I'm a bit faster than this, because this is really slow. That's because I'm doing one for the live stream. I usually do like 10 in a row, but that's really boring to look at. This is probably also boring to look at, but hey, at least I'm doing some live stuff. Okay, so now we need to test if this one works. Here's my power cable. Plug it in here and switch on the power. So far this works. But now I also need to test the peripherals, if you want to say. Firstly, does it control the fan properly? So I'm going to connect a fan to it. And the fan should like spin slowly. This one spins slowly. Then I need to connect a sensor. Here, this is an air humidity sensor. I'm going to connect this here. And see if that works. Yeah, we see the numbers there. And last thing I check is the dimmer, the 0 to 10 volt dimmer. The button needs to work. So I'm pushing the button and the thing goes into dimmed mode. That's good. And here at the back, the voltage changes when I push the dim button, because it's 0 to 10 volt dimming, which certain LEDs you can use it to change the brightness. So let's check the voltage here at this, and it is 10.8 volt. This is just right, so I'm gonna push. Okay, so let's push the dimmer button, and it goes down to 1.1 volt. So this is the low brightness of the LED, and this is the high brightness, just to control the LED. This is not the actual voltage the LED runs on. Another thing I could try is to see if the fan speed works. Yeah, that works. So this controller fully works. Last thing I need to do is put the sticker at the front. Need to remove this for a moment. Clean this. And then we have this sticker. Let's see how good, how again, everybody who's waiting for Tomato Tent, I'm sorry, I'm working. Next week, a lot of them will ship again. Many next week. And also I want to apologize for the for my absence in the forum. I know I'm not currently in the user forum. I'm sorry, but I just can't do both things, making all these controllers and doing a good job in the forum. I'm really sorry. I will be back as soon as I shipped all of them. Then I will be in the forum again, full time, all the time. Okay, so this is how I make one controller. I'm gonna make more now. And hey, I just saw the comment here. Do you ever plan on making multiple variations of the Tomato Tent? I may do one that's slightly bigger, a little bit bigger. And after that, you could buy just the controller and the fan and then put it on any tent size you want. It works up to a 4x4, I say. Yeah, about 4x4, and then you could make your own tent with the same functions or similar functions as Tomato Tent, even a bigger one. Okie dokie. See you everybody, see you soon, and thanks for coming on this live chat and commenting and all of that. See you.